Everyone thinks they know Python's print function. I mean, you type print hello world, and that's pretty much it, right? Well, wait. Did you know Python's print can secretly act like a formatter, a logger, and even an animation tool? Let me show you some print tricks that most developers never use. First trick is you can print multiple things at once using print Python 3.14 true 1, 2, 3. Nothing surprising yet, right? But wait, here's the first twist. You can actually unpack an entire list directly into print. For example, languages equals Python, Java, C++, Rust, and then print star languages. What? That tiny star just exploded the list into separate arguments automatically. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Here is the second trick, the hidden separator. Suppose you have skills equals Python, SQL, Docker. You can use print star skills sep equals arrow through. Or even use symbols like print star skills sep equals star. You get the output with separators. Wait, so you're telling me we can create custom formatting without writing loops? Exactly. But here's another trick most people don't know. Every print secretly adds a new line by default. Watch this. Print loading end equals ... followed by print done. The output becomes loading done. What? Python didn't move to the next line. And if you use full I in range 5, print I end equals space, you'll get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 all on the same line. Pretty cool, right? Now let's take it one step further. Here's a trick that feels like magic. Instead of using write, you can tell print to write directly into a file. For example, score equals 96. With open results.txt, W as F, print F score score, file equals F. The score is written into results.txt file. Wait, we didn't use write at all. Print just turned into a file logger. And finally, here's probably the coolest print feature. If you run for I in range 6, print I end equal sign space, flush equal sign true with a 1-second delay, the numbers appear one by one like an animation. What? The secret is flush equals true. Without it, Python waits and prints everything later when it's convenient. So the next time you use print, remember, it's not just for debugging. It can format text, write files, and even create terminal animations. Which print trick surprised you the most?